If you're believing God for restoration, healing, or strength, share your prayer request below. This is a prayer community, and you are not alone. If you felt peace, encouragement, or renewed faith, let us know how this prayer touched you. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future prayers, scriptures, and moments of encouragement. We are building a place where faith is strengthened and hope is restored. And if you know someone who is tired, discouraged, or in need of prayer, share this video with them. One prayer can change a heart, and one share can change a life.